how to download Resident Evil 4 on your laptop or PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can download or install Resident Evil 4 on our PC very easily. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to download the Resident Evil 4 onto your laptop, you need the Steam application downloaded on your device. That's where we find the Resident Evil 4. So you may just simply go on Google Chrome and search for Steam and simply tap on install. After that, you just need to follow some processes to sign in using your Google account and log in into the Steam application. After logging into your Steam application, you will be able to see this interface. So you just need to simply go to Store, and on Store, you just need to simply search out for Resident Evil 4. When you start typing out the Resident Evil 4, there will be a bunch of options of Resident Evil, the games we have. So you may just tap or install any of the Resident Evil 4 that you want to download and simply wait for the download to be completed. But for that, you just need to pay a certain amount. Resident Evil 4 is a game which you need to pay for. So you need to pay certain US dollars for that. After that, simply tap on download, and that's how you basically download Resident Evil 4 on your laptop or PC. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.